Cracking Tambaqui.
Yeah.
This is we've started again with a stocking programme, so we've got a list of about 8 different species which we're going to be topping up over the next couple of months. Perfect timing for when you return. This is just one of them species. Today, Tambaqui. Smallest fish we're going to stock of these is around 8 kilo, and we'll see these progress through to mid 20 kilos over the coming years. Cracking fish. Want to pop that back? Happy days. This is the last of 10 Tambaqui that we stocked today, averaging between 8 and 10 kilo. This one isn't playing ball. See how Paul gets on with it. Some have behaved and some haven't. Really strong fish. Here we go. Cracking fish. Nice markings on them. Malariform teeth inside. This marking in the red, it's almost like an opening. Runs down the centre. Cracking fish. Lateral line separating gold and yellow, with black underbelly. It's got a lateral line like a Richter scale. Really strange fish. Amazonian species. Right then, let's pop her back. Happy days.
Job done.